there will be two blocks in double block. So this is one block, or you can say lower block, and this is another block which is upper block. All right. Let me call one as A and another one as B. Mass of A will be MA, mass of B will be MB. All right. This surface on which lower block is kept is smooth, and this surface between A and B, this has friction. Let me call as mu or rough. Okay. Mu means friction is there, rough means friction is there. All right. Now, when we are going to apply a force on any of the block, we can apply force on upper block also, we can apply force on lower block also. So when we are going to apply force on any one of the block, another block may also move. I am using word may. I am using word may. So let us see what will be the effect when the forces are being applied on either upper block or lower block. So case 1, and the case is when the force is applied on lower block. When the force is applied, when the force is applied on lower block. All right. That means what? Let me show you. That means that we have applied force F on the lower block like this. Okay. Now listen carefully. First of all, we need to find, there are multiple steps. So let us solve it step by step. So step 1, find Fs max acting between A and B. Find Fs max acting between A and B. Now let me tell you how much that Fs max will be. So that Fs max will be mu into NAB, and that will give us Fs max. Now pay attention. Let me show you. MBG is acting downward, NAB is acting upward. So let me write it here. NAB minus MBG is equal to 0. So NAB is nothing but MB into G. So when we are going to write Fs max, that Fs max will be, everyone please pay attention, mu into MB into G. So this will be the value of Fs max. Alright. Now pay attention everyone. We need to find using this Fs max, we need to find how much will be the acceleration of upper block. Listen very carefully. See, lower block is being pulled by the force. Okay. So as the lower block is pulled by the force, it can move with any acceleration. There is no such limit on the acceleration of lower block in this case. Why? Because it is being pulled by the force. Correct? But the upper block which is there, it is dependent on friction acting between the two blocks. Correct? So as it is dependent on friction, its acceleration will be limited. Its acceleration will be limited. So now what we are going to do, using Fs max, find maximum acceleration of upper block. So that is step 2. Using Fs max, find maximum acceleration of Find maximum acceleration of upper block. Okay. So how to find that? Pay attention. So A B max, because upper blocks is B. So A B max, we are finding maximum acceleration. So AB max will be nothing but Fs max, because this was the force which acting between upon mass of B. Acceleration is equal to F resultant upon M. So Fs max we have already done. Mu MB G upon MB. MB got cancelled. So AB max comes out to be mu G. AB max comes out to be mu G. Alright. So this will be the maximum acceleration of upper block. Alright. Good. Now step 3. Step 3. And step 3 is what? Using F, the force which we have applied, find maximum common acceleration of blocks. So step 3, pay attention. Using F applied, find common acceleration. Common acceleration of each block. Try to understand what we are doing. See, on the system of A and B block, correct? The only external force in horizontal direction is F. The only external force in horizontal direction is F. So as we have only F along horizontal, the acceleration will be caused due to F only, because friction is their internal force. If I try to show you friction, pay attention everyone. Friction on the upper block will be in this direction. Friction on the lower block will be in this direction. So that's how friction will be on upper block and lower block. Can you see that everyone? That's how the friction will be. So friction for the two block system is internal force. It is internal force. It is not external. And internal forces cannot cause net acceleration. Keep this thing in mind. So what we are doing, we are trying to find that how much will be common acceleration if the two blocks are moving together. All right. So let us find that. So using F applied, find common acceleration of each block. That is the
So your
step.
voice is cracking.
And let me write one more thing here for your better clarity. Assuming that both blocks, everyone please keep your mics on mute. Assuming that both blocks are moving together with same acceleration. So using F applied, find common acceleration of each block. So pay attention everyone. A common is equal to F upon MA plus MB. A common is equal to F of external force upon total mass. This is the A common which we have calculated
Sir, the screen's
Now,
frozen.
so A common is equal to
So even
Sir,
your
your
voice is
screen is frozen and your voice is cracking.
now it is clear.
still,
Now is
sir.
it clear?
No, sir.
You are able to hear my voice.
Sir, your voice is echoing now.
What?
So your voice is echoing.
Okay, everyone, please pay attention. This concept is because someone's mic is unmuted. That's why it is echoing, not because of me. So, step 3 is using F applied, find common acceleration of each block. Step 4. And this part is important. Step 4. Now, if A common is less than AB max, if A common is less than AB max, then both blocks will move together. But if is second part of this. But if A common is more than AB max, then both A and B both A and B will move both A and B will move separately, or let us not talk word separately. Both A and B will move with different acceleration. Both A and B will move with different acceleration. All right. So this will be the case. Have you noted all this? Have you noted?
Yes.
All right. Now using all these steps which we have written one by one, let us solve question. I'm giving you a question based on this.
Can you
Okay?
scroll up?
You need to follow steps. Is it fine?
So a bit more.
Everyone, please keep your mics on mute. Please. This is 10 kg. This is A. This is 5 kg. This is B. This is smooth. This is mu is equal to 0.5. This is F. And the question says find acceleration of A and B. Find acceleration of A and B if F is A 50 Newton, B 100 Newton. Please find. So first you apply F is equal to 50 Newton and find the answers for that. In second case, you change F by 100 Newton and find answers for that. Your time starts Now,
Sir,
yes,
could you scroll up a bit?
yes.
Sir, could you scroll up a bit?
You have joined now?
No, sir, my screen was frozen for a while, so I couldn't
Oh,
write step 4.
all right. Which step you want?
Step 4.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Please keep your mic on mute.
So we should find A common also.
Yes, you need to find complete answer. See, without finding a common and without going through all the steps, you cannot find AA and AB. All right?
I hope you have a time to discuss.
Everyone, please pay attention. What we need to find this is
So your voice is cracking.
5G.
So your voice is cracking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because can
So we can't hear you.
You aren't audible, sir.
you can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you see the screen?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now,
So it's blank.
It's not visible.
Not
yes,
visible, sir.
okay.
It's visible now.
Let yeah. Let me continue. So I was telling you, when AB is acting upward and is a word. So, actually,
Voice is
Sir, the screen is voice is cracking.
blank.
So the screen is not visible.
So your voice is cracking. I can't understand anything what you're trying to tell.
what to do? What to do, everyone? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
So the screen is visible now.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear everyone?
So your voice is cracking.
Yeah, the voice is going like in slow motion.
No, sir, cannot hear.
So what we are doing, everyone, please pay attention. We are ending the today's class here, okay? Because otherwise it is no point. Many of you are not able to understand. Hello? And we will take this class some other time. Okay, everyone? Hello?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Inform others also. Put a message in Teams because I am not able to post that.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.